Tota Soto nagpaliwanag sa kanyang involvement patungkol nga sa pagpayag niya na pagpunta ng mga NBI at pag-wrestling kay Senator Bato de la Rosa. Matapos ang lahat-lahat, damage control ka ngayon? Pakinggan natin. At katanggap-tanggap ba itong paliwanag ni Tota Sen?
Senator, former Senate President Soto.
Thank you. Mr. President, may I be allowed to lay to rest this particular issue as
Tignan mo makatingin si Jinggoy, si Camille, pinagtatawanan lang siya. Tignan mo kung paano yung pag-irap ni Jinggoy. Irap.
far as I'm concerned? Because I have been mentioned in media by
Ito din si Win.
the members of the Senate that as Senate President daw, pinayagan ko daw yung word na ginamit is pinayagan ko daw yung NBI na pumasok dito. May sinasabi nagpakain pa, yung mga ganon.
Wait, kailangan mong sagutin yan. Nagpakain ka. Hindi lang yun. Tumambay sa opisina mo, Tota Sen. Kailangan mo yung ipaliwanag. By the way, si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, the Senate President, the new, ang nagsabi na pinayagan mo. Okay.
Let the records speak for itself. Ito
So, i-expect natin magpapakita siya ng record. Magpapakita ba siya?
muna sa akin, Mr. President.
Wala.
Early in the morning,
Early in the morning Ang aga, may pakape pa. Ganon.
an NBI representative came to see me and told me they have a warrant of arrest for Senator De La Rosa.
So aware ka na ang pakay ng mga NBI ay para arestuhin si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Maliwanag. Inamin mo ha.
I said, simply, I said, coordinate with OSA.
Bakit ganon yung sasabihin mo? Coordinate with Osaha. Wait. Dapat ganito sinabi mo. Teka lang muna. Ano ba yung warrant of arrest ninyo? Saan galing ba yan? Galing ba yan ng ICC? Galing ba yan ng ICC? Galing sa local court na verify na ba yan? At kung ano-ano pa? Para wala tayong gulo dito. Ikaw yung Senate President Dapat may bayag ka na ganon. Pero, hinayaan mo lang.
As simple as that. Why?
No, it's not that simple. It's not that simple, Senate President, ex-Senate President. Kasi Senate President ka You have to protect them. You have to protect your colleague. You have to protect Senator Bato de la Rosa. Kahit na hindi kayo magkakulay, pareho kayong senador Kulig mo Kumbaga, kasama mo sa bahay Kailangan mong protektahan. It's not that simple.
I didn't realize that he was coming.
Wow! I didn't realize that he was coming. Imposibleng hindi mo alam yung ugong-ugong napapalitan ka. Imposible. Huwag kami, Tota Sen. Huwag kami. Kaya nga, inalaw mo yan para mapigilan. Kasi alam mong 13 sila. At kung hindi makakaboto si Senator Bato de la Rosa, hindi ka mapapalitan. That simple. Huwag kami.
I didn't know that he was going to be there in the afternoon. I just thought it was a simple information given the Senate President that a member of the Senate was being issued a warrant of arrest.
Wow, ipinaalam lang sa'yo. Pwede nga.
It was simple as that. Yeah. Kaya ika nga hindi pa pwede, little did I know that Senator De La Rosa after 7 months of not being here will suddenly come.
Expected mo yan. Tingnan mo doon, parang wala, hindi naniniwala.
Kaya ganun kasimple lang sinabi ko. Coordinate with the OSA. So put that to rest. Baka ang iniisip kasi, ang narinig ko, sa intindi ko, pati ang tanong ng media sa akin, pinayagan ko lang lahat yan nangyari na yan. Ako sa
No. Hindi nila sinabing pinayagan mo yung nangyari. Pinayagan mo na pumasok diyan ang NBI mag-serve ng warrant of arrest sa kapwa mo senador. Yun.
Sinasabi ganun eh. You know, if I had known that he was coming, if you informed me that he was coming, I would have had a different perspective.
After the fact na lang yan tutasin kasi hindi kayo nagtagumpay.
You know, like what happened with the CIDG when they issued a subpoena to Senator De La Rosa's office. Simple. Walang issue, walang problema. Binadala lang.
Wala naman. Yun lang naman. Hindi man arrest warrant yun eh. Ano ka ba?
Ganun lang sana, Mr. President. I would not be remiss of anything. And definitely, I will not be guilty of obstruction of justice. Like for example, in the case of Senator Trillanes,
Sasampol siya si Trillanes. Bidang-bida ang trililing.
I was majority leader. And when he
Majority leader ka. Hindi ka naman Senate President nun.
found, he was holed up in his office for I think about 1, 2 days, 3 days.
Balita ako mga 15 days daw eh.
But when he was issued and he was showed the warrant of arrest, sumama siya.
Wait. Ibang usapan yun. Bakit? Local court yun eh. Hindi naman yun ICC, hindi naman yun International Court. Ibang kaso. Ibang usapan yun, Totasen. Huwag mong ikumpara yung sitwasyon ngayon ni Bato na International Court yung nag-issue ng warrant of arrest.
Binasahan siya ron mismo sa opisina niya eh. In the case of Senator De Lima,
Sa opisina daw niya ha.
when the warrant of arrest came and she was here, ang pinakiusap lang niya, doon sa bahay siya arestuhin para
Ibang sitwasyon din yon. Local court din yon. Ibang usapan ito. Huwag mong paghaluin, Tutasen.
kumanda siya ng damit at makapagpaalam. Ganun lang eh. Dito naman sa Senate, alam naman natin yan. Oh, by the way, when I said
Oo, may naalala pa siya. May naalala pa.
coordinate with this OSAA, they know the rules. Yung
Buti pa they know the rules. Kaya nga, nagkaroon pa ng tensyon. Di ba? Ikaw, pinayagan mo lang.
ang binanggit ko. Exact wording ko yun, Mr. President. For the record, so that we can put this to rest already. Makapagtrabaho na tayo kung saan na pupunta usapan.
Yeah.
Wow, kung saan napupuntang usapan. Ikaw yung Senate President nung nangyari yan, kung saan na napuntang usapan. Damage control ka lang talaga. Tingnan mo makatingin, no? Grabe, oh.
For clarity, former Senate President, one, I asking for a report, but I remember Senator De Lima stayed in her room for a few days.
Nagkampo din. Nagtago din.
Before that, no? So the way that they're saying that surrendered right away is she was allowed to exhaust.
Surrendered right away. Sabihin mo na, fake news. Hindi, kasi nagtago din.
Remedy. Now, as Senator Pia, Senator Loren, Senator Aimee, and
Marcoleta.
Mark Villar were in the room with me, it was the NBI director who said, pinayagan kami ni Senator Soto,
Pinayagan kami ni Senator Soto. NBI mismo ang nagsabi.
alam niya nga arestuhin namin. Kami ba iikot sa loob at mapapasok ba namin lahat ng tao? So I corrected him. I said,
Hindi
kung
ganun
pinayagan
ang
man kayo, they're my witnesses. I'm just Senate President. So ang sinabi ko sa kanila, assuming pinayagan kayo ni Senator Soto, hindi naman siguro siya pumayag makipaghabulan kayo, di ba?
Correct. Yun naman yung talagang sinabi niya. Tapos sinasabi niya, pagkakaintindi ko, pinayagan ko na magkagulo-gulo. Hindi. Sinasabi mo lang yan para i-save yung sarili mo, Tutasen.
So, yun ang sinabi. And sabi namin, Ang sagot nga niya, "Sir, nakita niyo nung umabot na sa loob ng session hall, hindi na naming hinabol."
Hindi hinabol, nakita sa CCTV, nakapasok na. Pilit pa rin binubuksan yung pintuan, nagkatumba-tumbahan pa nga sa harap ng pintuan ng session hall. Ah, sinungaling talaga yung Matibag, ah.
So sabi ko, that doesn't make it less
Pre.
problematic. That means you have to stop, no? So, Senator Pia, you were there, so please feel free to speak.
For full disclosure, I asked him after it was established na nakipaghabulan hanggang dito. So sabi niya, ni NBI Director, sabi ko sa kanila, wag silang papasok sa session hall. Sabi ko, so ang instructions nyo is hanggang lang makapasok, hanggang dun lang sa pinto bago mag...
Oh, so may instruction si Matibag. Nahabulin. Magipaghabulan kung kailangan, wag lang sa session hall. Gagi Matibag pa more. Sinungaling.
session hall, hahabulin nyo? And then, medyo hindi niya na sinagot yun.
Syempre hindi na niya yung sagutin. Yun na yung ibig sabihin nun eh. Instruction pala ni Matibag. Nga.
So, that's what is the logical conclusion na hanggang tumungtong sa session hall, habulin nyo, gawin nyo, because I asked, what is your objective na i-serve yung warrant? Yes. So may kasamang habulan.
Mm.
And basically, the answer seems to be yes.
And
He did say yes, but
And Major
wasn't
General
no.
Samonte said that at 2 p.m., the warrant of arrest was shown to former Senate President in the presence of undersigned, but copies were not allowed to be distributed.
Pinakita kay Tuta Sen, gagi. So alam niya, bago ba mag-session, alam na niya na may mangyayaring arestuhan. May spot report,
But consistent with the Senate President said, earlier this morning, NBI Chief Attorney Dongalo paid a call to the undersigned to coordinate an arrest order. As per agreement, the supposedly arrest should be effected when the warrant of arrest is presented as guidance of the former Senate President Vicente Soto. On or about 2 p.m., the warrant of arrest was shown to the former Senate President, the President undersigned, but copies were not allowed. So in the
Copies were not allowed, pero pag kinuha ni Trillanes sa kamay ng NBI, binibigay, pinapakita sa media. Si Trillanes pa talaga ang nagwagayway.
report kasi po, sir, ni
Come on.
Sergeant at Arms, the arrest was coordinated, not just the arrest warrant. That's why maybe the media...
The arrest was coordinated, not only the arrest warrant. Tuta Sen, may spot report. Let the record show. So, ibig sabihin kung maaga pa sila nandyan at nag-coordinate sa opisina mo, so may posibilidad na tama yung sinasabi na nagtambay pa sila dyan. Kasi umaga pa yun eh. Tapos 2:00 pinakita na sa'yo yung warrant of arrest. So aware ka na talaga. Aware ka na may mangyayaring arestuhan. Pinayagan mo. Ikaw yung nagpapasok dyan. At ikaw din yung pumayag kasi alam mo pala na merong warrant of arrest, Tuta Sen. Booking na booking ka dito, boy.
This was submitted during the session. Yes, but I clarified that I do not believe that the actual manner. So there are two issues, no?
Yung actual manner lang ng paghuli. Yung hindi pinayagan. Pero alam niya na merong warrant of arrest at alam niya na magkaka-arestuhan. Siyempre, yung aarestuhin mo, pagtatakbo, anong gagawin ng aaresto? Hahabulin. Alam ni Tuta Sen yan. Tuta Sen, wag kami.